Hey everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about Laravel 8 controller. So how you can create a controller and why important are controllers. So let's start. First question is why important in controller in Laravel basically. Okay, so suppose you have a lot of files. Okay, so a lot of files. Suppose you have, I'm going to example you just simple. Okay, suppose you have the multiple pages, 100 pages you have, and 100 pages have the approximately 40 pages are dynamic something. Okay, so how you can perform? Okay, so suppose you have directly you don't have basically a controller, so how you can manage? It's sometimes very difficult to manage the code. You writing a lot of code in single page something, and like if you don't have controller, so how you can perform directly? You will write all code inside the file, and sometimes it's really difficult to manage. But if you have the MVC structures, really life is simple. Suppose if you have controller, so you can write a function inside the controller, and also you can create a multiple controller. So multiple controllers for the different functionality, and also you can create inside the controller multiple function. Okay, so this is the basically reason, so your code is so manageable, so you can manage your code easily. Okay, anyone can understand what you have written. But if you don't have the proper structure, sometimes it's very difficult to analyze where your code coming from. So now here basically I have covered the first point, which is why controller is important. Second point is how to create controller using command line. Okay, so now I have already installed Laravel 8 in my system. Also I have explained how to routes are working in Laravel. So now let's open. I'm going to create here. I've already running this basically command line. So now what I need to do here, so I'm going to type here php artisan make controller. So I'm going to put here home controller. Okay, so we can type here like home controller. So just look at it, we have created basically first controller, which is home controller. So I'm going to inside the app folder http controller, and now we have two controller files, which is a home controller and second is controller. So suppose we have this controller. So basically this controller are by default controller by default, and this controller are extending the base controller. Now we have this controller extending basically controller. So inside of this controller, so I am going to put public function index. Okay, index is a basically function I'm going to write here and here. Okay, so here what I want here, return something, anything you can perform. So I am going to here echo welcome to real programmer Laravel 8 series. Okay, so now we have controller is home controller and we have the file. So this is basically the way you can write. So I want to call here directly. So now we have, I want here I want basically use this particular controller and function. So what I need to do here, so first of all I need to use here like this one, use app, and the folder is http, and inside the http folder we have, look here, this path basically. Inside the http controller we have the controllers, and inside of the controllers we have the controller name, which is home controller. Okay, so this is a home controller. I'm going to put semicolon here, and once we have done this one, then I need to do here, suppose we are calling here directly home controller functions, this will not work. But in Laravel 7 or 6 or 5 something this will work, but in Laravel 8 this is not working. So what we need to do here, so now I'm going to put here like this one, we have the controller, sorry, let me remove this one, we have this controller. Okay, but this is also not working. Let me check this one. Now we have the home controller, a scope resolution operator, then class, and here we need to put here which method you want to call. Suppose we have the index method, then check this is working or not. Look, this is working. Welcome to Real Programmer Laravel 8 series. So suppose I want to write here as a home, then we need to put here as a home. Look, this is working fine. Now this is not working. I'm going to remove this one. So basically this is fine now. So what we need to do here again, suppose you want pass some parameter, then you can also pass from here. So suppose we have view basically. Okay, so I'm going to type here written view. Inside the written view you can put here your file. Okay, so we have welcome suppose file. So let me load the welcome, but we have declared as a variable, so leave it. So now this is working fine. So we're loading basically home page from here using URL, using controller. So we already what is controller, why this is important, and we have created controller using command line, first function inside the controller and call from the routing and passing some parameter. So how you can pass some parameter using Laravel. So again I'm going to route. Inside of the route you can pass here like this one, suppose ID, and so once you put it here ID, you can pass something here. So now you need to do here, like suppose you have the home functions you want to print here, then you need to put here like this one. Okay, so once you put it here, then you need to let me be clear there. Suppose you need to pass here like array, suppose like this one, we have ID, and here you can pass as a $ID. So we have declared welcome page might be, look it here, but we have declared as a welcome page, inside the welcome page might be, but this is not working. Let me check. Oh sorry, I forget, we need to pass here some parameter. Yes, you can check here. Now we are passing some numbers, a number printing here. So this is working fine. So we have covered this one also, passing some parameters using Laravel. So you can check here, and if you need doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section in below. Thank you for watching this video.